Yeah, what up? This is your boy Zimbabwe Kid, and this is Music Review Fridays with Zimbabwe Kid. Um, Today I'm going to review an album by the homie M.O.B Trey. I got a first listen to the album. The album is called The Art of War Author, and man, this boy got skills for real. So I'm gonna break it down. It's 13 tracks on the album, and I'm gonna just go through each one of the tracks and give a quick review of that, man. First listen, I appreciate that, homie. I appreciate you sending it to me. Yeah, it's an honor, man, to get a first listen to the album. And so here we go. Track number 1 is Stars Are Born, and of course that's a set it off track to kind of set the tone for the whole album, and I like that joint, man. Definitely, he's got some crazy wordplay in there, and he spits it just right. You know what I'm saying? Man, crazy wordplay for real. That can spit multiple syllables without me missing a beat. Yeah, that's pretty much what he does on this track, man. It's dope, and the lyrics is on point. I like that. That's the first one, Stars Are Born. Track number 3 is I'm Close, and man, I like the sample in that, for real, man. I think it samples from Bobby Brown, and it's a great sample, man. And well, the verse is, as usual, on point because M.O.B's an MC for real. For real, he's an MC, so the bars is on point. The hook is cool. You know what I'm saying? I might have probably gone a different direction with the hook, but it's still cool. But the bars, man, just the verses are on point, man. That boy's an MC for real. Alright, and then number 3 is it's pretty good, man. It's Black Hoodie Music, and it's got an epic theme to it. It's kind of a good track, man. It's got an epic feel to it. And of course, Black Hoodie Music, you already know what that is. That's street, man. And yeah, he speaks on it pretty good. Black Hoodie Music, and that's a good one. That's number 3. And track number 4 is called In the Lust. And of course, you know what that is, man. He's speaking on a beautiful girl that he's in lust with. And it's good, man. He's kind of double timing on it, like the fast rap, and yeah, he doesn't miss a beat on that one. Again, on the hook, probably maybe an R&B singer would have brought that out a bit more. Whether it's a guy, an R&B singer, or it's a female R&B singer, you know what I'm saying? I think that would have brought it out a bit more. But as usual, of course, the bars is on point, flow is ridiculous. He's double timing on it, like I said, and he does it well, man. I like that joint. In the Lust is what it's called. Track number 5 is Apply Pressure, and that's featuring Cassidy. He's got a Cassidy sample in there, the I'm a Hustler sample, and I like this track, man. The vocab is on point. The bars is nice as always. So yeah, I like this track. It's called Apply Pressure, number 5, featuring Cassidy. Track number 6 is Mike Anthem. It's a nice anthem, man. It's Mike Club, and it's featuring ELZ, and that's a nice track, man. I like that one. And then track number 7 is The Street's Disciple. And the track is laid back. It's like real laid back, and it's an interesting choice of a track. But I think he did that so the lyrics can kind of stand out, so what he's saying can stand out. Yeah, I like that one. As always, the rhymes is on point and delivery is good, definitely. And that's number 7, The Street's Disciple. And then track number 8 is Veteran. Veteran is a good track, man. I like his verse on there. It's definitely a good track, and it's laid back too. I think he does very well on those tracks that are kind of laid back like that. You know what I'm saying? Because you can really hear what he's saying. So yeah, Veteran is a good track. I like that. Track number 9 is Diamonds. Track number 9 is Diamonds, and we're still reviewing the album. It is The Art of War Author by M.O.B Trey. Track number 9 is Diamonds, man, and it finds an interesting way to, describe the diamonds, the bling, shining, and it's a cool track. I like that one. Track number 10 is Sunk in the Seat. It's got the Hit the Road Jack sample from, the Ray Charles. And I like that one, man. I wish it could have been longer. It's like, I think 1 minute, 1.5 minutes long. Wish it could have been longer, but yeah, that's a good one. I like that. Sunk in the Seat. And then track number 11, I like this track, man. It's called Good Morning America. Basically, it's just an MC's take on what's going on in America. And, kind of takes a very good, realistic stance to it, man. Like, from the streets perspective. And, yeah, I like that track, Good Morning America. And that's track number 11. Let My Pen Bleed. Let My Pen Bleed. And that's a good track, man. I like the instrumental on that. And basically he just lets his pen bleed, just writing, spitting. That's what it is, man. Beats and rhymes on that one. I like that. And then the last track is War Is Necessary, and that's track number 13. And I guess he saved the best for last, man. I like this one, man. I really like it. The track is good. And he just spits, man. He just spits. And that's one of those reality joints, man, that's just good, I like that one. That's track number 13. And that's it, man, for Music Review Fridays. I just reviewed M.O.B Trey's album, and it's called The Art of War Author. And man, that's a lyricist right there. If you like MCs, if you like hearing some good bars, yeah, definitely this one will be an album to get. And it kind of reminds me, I don't like comparing MCs too much, but it kind of reminds me of a young Fabulous. You know what I'm saying? The rhymes are not the same, but it just reminds me of Fabulous because he's got that fly thing going. Fly, but still an MC, you know what I'm saying, with bars, with punchlines, you know what I'm saying, and just makes it look easy. So that's who he reminds me of, mostly, man. But he's got his own style, of course. So yeah, check out his YouTube, and I'll probably post a link once he sends me a link for the album, so you guys can check it out, man. And yeah, that's a solid album right there, man. Shout out to M.O.B Trey, and shout out to everybody over there, man. And that's what it is. Zimbabwe Kid, Zimbo Nexus, Album Review Fridays. Peace.